Hello and welcome to River6 Media. Again, another unboxing video again this week. It's from the anime 8686, the Juggernaut Shinus. I did a unboxing of the Figurized Standard Lena kit not too long ago, so this is actually one of the mecha from it. Looked really cool. It's a high grade kit, so it's not really that expensive. Got this kit at Torchlight Games and Hobbies. I'll leave a link down below to their website with a 5% discount code on any model kits on their website. They also offer curbside pickup, so you can save a little bit of money on shipping if you're local. I've done way too much talking. Let's get right into the video and hope you enjoy the video. Alright, let's just take a quick look at the box art and then we will open her up and see what's inside. So, box art for this, pretty standard. They always just show basically a depiction of what it would look like in, I guess, the anime or like a battle scene or that. Sail outside Japan only. That's, I've always wondered about that. So if anybody knows what that actually means, leave a comment down below and let me know, because I have a funny feeling I know what it means, but it's just not coming to me right now. So, on the side, so shows some of the gimmicks, shows it all built. So it comes with a little tiny mech dude. That's always cool to see. So it comes with a little figure of Lena, which we did an unboxing of her not that long ago. Cockpit with the pilot in it. A side that shows it's a 1:48 scale. Not really sure what that is. A little comic that's included with it, I guess. So there is these two, which are different than this one. So there is a total of 3. There's the Lena kit. So looks like there's only about 4 kits that have come out. And again, this side. So let's just see what that is. Oh, so they included a short story, it appears. I guess because this is the first production limited accessory. Really? That's interesting. So, yeah. I guess these haven't been available in North America, so that's what they're doing to try and as a first line or that. So, interesting. Next we will look inside and go from there. All right, let's open her up and see what's inside. Okay, so you've got the sitting pilot. You got Lena. Wires for, I guess, one of the weapons. That looks like legs, or parts of the legs. Only 2 decals. Yeah, only 2 decals. So, this is also, looks like parts for like an inner frame. looks like a stand right there. Yeah, looks like a stand. So part of the cannon, also part of the cannon, so the weapon, that's the body. That also looks, so this basically looks like it's just one big cannon with legs. So there's the short story. So it's an actual, that's a thick manga. And it's a manga. I know what a manga is, guys, so I know that you read it opposite what you read a book as. Assembly instructions, standard for any of these kits, and the instruction manual. So gotta know how to assemble it. So yeah, it looks like a pretty cool kit to build. Not sure when I'll get around to actually building it, but not sure if I'll do a time lapse of it or a review. Not real sure yet, but we'll do something with it outside of this. So yeah, that's the 8686 1/48 scale Juggernaut Shin Use. Looks like a really cool kit. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and hit the subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one.